No environmentally friendly floor care program can truly be green without a daily floor cleaner with a positive environmental profile. EarthSense Neutral Floor Cleaner provides superior cleaning to finished floors and other surfaces in your facility. The performance is comparable to traditional cleaners that do not meet the sustainability mandates found in many facilities. The pH-neutral, film-free formulation without dyes or fragrances is safe for all floor finishes with minimal health and environmental impact. You will also see the high concentration and versatile dilution scales make this an economic choice as well.